from this to this. Welcome to Professor's Garage. The hood lift support struts stopped working 3 years ago. Now 40,000 miles later, I'm fed up and finally decided to replace them. For such a replacement, I usually explore the OE route first. But given the premature failure of the OE ports and how expensive they are, I'm going the aftermarket route for this time. These are dormant ports, made in Taiwan. It's not my favorite aftermarket brand, but it's offered by Rock Auto, which I trust. I will give them a try, and will keep you posted how long these will last. Open the hood. Find something to support your hood before the replacement. Now pick a side to walk on first. We'll start with the driver's side front. Find a small flathead screwdriver or a pick. Start with the top. With the screwdriver or pick, pry open the clip above. Once the clip is open, you can detach it from above. Now do the same for the bottom of the lift. Pry it open, and then you can pop it. You can detach it. Now the lift is off. See, it's totally gone. You've got to be better, Toyota, Lexus. Before you proceed, compare OE port and the new port side by side. Now clean it before you proceed. Grease it too, okay, so it goes in easier. Good. Start with the bottom. Push it in. Now the top, clean it. And again, grease it. So it will go in more smoothly. For now, this is too long. So here is a trick. For now, you want to remove this support so it doesn't fall when you try to lift the hood up. So remove this for now. And with one hand holding it, adjust the height. And then press it in. One side is on. So take a look. This is good so far. So with the driver's side support in place, now we can pay our attention to the passenger side. When you replace the second strut, it's good to have additional support. This repeats the same procedure, and I will fast forward here. So there will be a resistance when you try to pull it down. And it goes up smoothly. Such a relief. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. If you do, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to Professor's Garage. If the professor can do it, you can do it too. And I will keep you posted on how long these will last. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。